Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can remove the money from on hold to your main balance. So the first thing you have to do is ask the sender of the money to log into his or her people account and do the following. So in the case I sent money to myself from a different account, so all I am going to do is simply log into my own account and follow along. What's supposed to do? So all I have to do is to find the recent transaction I just sent and you have to click on it. Okay, then scroll down until you see the link saying confirm shipment received. So when you see that link, simply click on it, then simply click on confirm. Okay, so now you are alone. Okay, so now you are done. So all I have to do now is to go to the new account and check if the money has gone into the main balance instead of on hold. So let me just refresh the page and see if the money has gone into the main balance instead on PayPal money on hold. So you can see its current on hold. So let me refresh. Okay, so there is it. Money is now in the main balance. So this is it, how you remove the money from on hold into your main balance. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.